Hello my friends, Ashley Rieger here, and in this video I'm going to be stepping you through the makeup line that I've been using for the last 30 days called Envy. And it is an airbrush, oil-free makeup line that gives you flawless skin, and I have been absolutely loving it. So I am starting off with a fresh face, and I wanted to take you through a little bit of my skincare as well as my makeup application that literally takes me less than 5 minutes, start to finish. Now I am beginning this application with my makeup from the day. I wanted to take you through my quick skincare routine. I'm going to throw my hair up with a scrunchie. Anyone else over 30 still wear scrunchies? Nope, just me? Sweet. So I'm going to take a quick makeup wipe and get some of the makeup off of my face. Then what I'm going to do is go in with my Luminous Youth Restoring Cleanser. This cleanser has been amazeballs. It gives me brighter, smoother skin, and it also has micro exfoliants in it, so it gets those dead skin cells off and helps prep my skin so that my skincare can just soak in. And if you are over 30 or really care about skincare, you feel me on that. Next, what I'll do is I'll go in with my daily moisturizing complex. Oh gosh, this is that is a normal everyday me. So my moisturizer has an SPF 30. It's lightweight and helps reduces fine lines, which makes my life so much better. And what I did fail to film was putting on my Holy Grail, which is my cellular rejuvenation serum. This has the highest concentration of APT 200, and it literally helps your skin cells turn over faster. So now we're gonna hop into our primer. This primer helps you prime 5 ways. Super simple, hold 8 inches away from your face and just spritz. Next, I'm just gonna pat in. Absolutely love it. Now I'm going in with my first layer of foundation. For those of you that are wondering, I am in Cool Buff. I wait for 10 seconds. You can pat it in, and if you know me, you know your girl likes a full coverage face. What I love about this foundation is that it is buildable. So I will do 3 different applications that you'll see. It's my second and my third. Quick spritz, covers everywhere. Just going to pat in. And for some of those areas that I have that are a little bit more oily, I spray a little bit on the back of my hand. I'll take my fingertip and just pat those in to build that coverage, mainly around my T-zone. Next, I'll go in with my bronzer and just help frame my face. What I love about this bronzer is that I can also spray it on the back of my hand, and I can go in and just cut out some of those, contour lines for myself, which I'm really into. Next, I'm going in with my concealer just to help brighten up my under eye, followed by a little bit of bronzer on my shoulders and a little hey girl hey, because why not? Next, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, and I did in fact do a little bit more mascara and bronzer and shimmer off camera, but that is seriously the finished look. Gosh, I feel like I just started shooting this video, but that is it. It literally takes me less than 5 minutes to do my skincare and makeup application start to finish. This makeup has completely changed the game for me. It stays on throughout the day, helps just keep my skin balanced, and looks absolutely flawless. So if you enjoyed this video, you want to look fab, you want to feel fab, would love for you to leave a comment down below. And guys, thank you so much for your support in this video, and we'll see you in the next one.